Welcome back to Bike Zone, your home for the latest in motorcycle news, reviews, and everything two wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Gold Wing GL1000, a name that evokes a legacy of innovation, comfort, and touring dominance. Let's explore what makes this new iteration a standout in the world of long-distance cruisers. A tribute to the past, built for the future. The 2025 Gold Wing GL1000 pays homage to Honda's original 1975 model while pushing boundaries with cutting-edge tech and modern refinement. Honda has seamlessly blended retro design cues with contemporary performance, offering a nostalgic nod to its origins without compromising on today's rider expectations. Engine and performance. At the heart of the new GL1000 is a re-engineered flat-4 engine, now more efficient and powerful than ever. With improved fuel injection, refined torque delivery, and a smooth 6-speed transmission, this Gold Wing is all about effortless cruising. Whether you're tackling mountain roads or eating up highway miles. Technology and comfort. True to its legacy, the 2025 GL1000 is loaded with premium touring features. Expect a full-color TFT display, adaptive cruise control, integrated navigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Rider and passenger comfort is enhanced with heated seats, electronically adjustable windscreen, and customizable ride modes for various terrains and conditions. Handling and suspension. Honda has updated the suspension system for superior ride quality. With a double wishbone front and electronically adjustable rear preload, the GL1000 handles with surprising agility for a bike of its size. Braking is handled by a linked ABS system, ensuring confident stopping power at all speeds. Design and build quality. The 2025 model showcases a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile with high-end materials and a luxurious finish. LED lighting, sculpted bodywork, and a reworked exhaust give the bike a commanding road presence that's both aggressive and elegant. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing GL1000 is a masterclass in touring motorcycle evolution. It honors its roots while setting new benchmarks in comfort, performance, and technology. Whether you're a long-time Gold Wing fan or a first-time buyer, this machine promises an unforgettable ride. Thanks for watching Bike Zone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the best rides in the world. Ride safe, and see you on the road.